welcome to the Vernon's YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making an old fashioned. This is part of our cocktail kits that we are selling in person. It does come with recipes for other drinks as well. We also sell this in our restaurant, so please come in and give it a shot and then buy a kit so you can make it at home yourself with the same ingredients here. This is one of America's classic cocktails. It's very simple to do. You basically only need 3 ingredients. So it's a spirit of some type. In this, we're going to be using a Buffalo Trace of bourbon. Next, we have up some bitters. 2 different types. We like to do a bitter blend. We have Reagan's Orange Bitters and Angostura Bitters. And lastly, we have a sweetener. Some people will do a sugar cube muddled with the bitters, but we like to do a Demerara syrup, which makes it a little easier for our volume, plus it tastes really good. It's sugar in the raw, basically, made into a syrup, which I have already in its sugar form here. Let's go ahead and start. So for the alcohol component of your drink, we're going to be doing 1.5 ounces of Buffalo Trace bourbon. Now that's going to go into your shaker tin. Then I'm going to be doing 2 dashes of the Angostura bitters, 1 dash of Reagan's Orange Bitters. Now, last but not least, we need our sweetener. So we're going to take that Demerara syrup into 2 bar spoons. For those who are curious, a bar spoon is about 1/6 of an ounce. So if you want to get that down, that's what it means. And then some ice. Now, while this chills, I'm going to go ahead and take a large ice cube. You can get these molds at the store. They sell them on Amazon. There's plenty of places you can get them. It's going to be right there in the glass. Next up, we're going to stir our drink. We want it to get nice and cold. We'll stir it for 20 seconds or so. And these metal tins are nice because you can see when they start to get nice and cold. We're doing 2 things here. We're chilling our cocktail and we are also diluting our drink. 30% of your cocktail is going to be from the dilution you get from chilling it, which helps with the flavor. It's not so hot. All right, now I'd say that's good to go. Take a strainer, put it on top of the ice, pour over your fresh rock. Now we are almost done. Last but not least, just some finishing touches. 1 for a garnish. Go ahead and take a nice orange peel. And you're gonna get a nice thick one here. Don't be shy. You want it to be a little thick with the pith on the back. That way you can squeeze those oils on top of your glass. Now this does 2 things. It gives another characteristic from the citrus juice, and then it also helps promote different type of flavor, which is nice. And you rub it across the edge of it. With a nice twist, pop it in your glass. Last but not least, it's not an old fashioned, but a nice maraschino cherry. Cheers. Classic bourbon cocktail, right there. Very easy, very simple to do. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Come into Vernon's to get yourself an old fashioned. Ask about the cocktail kit or the cocktail classes. We'll be making more of these videos in the future. Please stay tuned.